Rules for words which end in S. When a word ends in the letter S, the S is spoken for an extended amount of time. Cups. The word cup is very short, cup. But when you add the S, it's a much longer word, cups, cups. Car. The word car is very short. But when you add the S, it's much longer. Cars, cars. I don't say cars, I say cars, cars, cups, cars. The rules for pronouncing the letter S. S can be pronounced as S, like a snake, or Z, like the sound that a bee makes. When a word ends in the letter S, the S is extended. Listen for S and Z sounds. Cups, cars, surprises, friends, rivers, runs, drives, flies, peaches, dresses. Rule for S pronounced as S. Words ending with P, T, K, F, and TH are pronounced as S. P plus S, hops. T plus S, pants. K plus S, asks. F plus S, fits. TH plus S, myths. Rule for S pronounced as Z. S is pronounced as Z after all other letters. For example, houses, bottles, dreams, lemons, crackers. Practice with me. S pronounced as Z. Trees, bugs, rugs, cookies, windows, doors, floors, washes, seas, pleases. Repeat after me. S pronounced as S. Lifts, kicks, cloths, clocks, pops, kooks, fits, flops, fifths. Musical representation. This is a bonus slide for people who can read music. Think of letters as musical notes. Some letters can be pronounced with one beat. The letters S and Z require 1.5 beats to pronounce correctly. K, A, T, S, cats. K, A, T. All very short letters. S, K, A, T, S, cats. B, A, R, S, bars. The S sound must always be extended regardless of the position in the word. S, S, sons. The letter Z is also extended. Z, S, zoos. A difficult word. Repeat after me. Buzzes. Now you try it. Buzzes. Buzzes. Another difficult word. Asks. 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 He asks a question. Now you try to say it. Asks. He asks a question. Can you guess the number one biggest problem for advanced English learners? Hint: the error involves words ending with S. The number one biggest problem for advanced English learners. The number one problem for English language learners is pronouncing the S on the end of a verb when speaking about he, she, it. He walks. She walks. It walks. You can view more free lessons on my YouTube channel. Here are some examples. I lived in Taiwan for 6 months and I learned some Chinese. I can help Chinese speakers with English pronunciation. Understanding English expressions. There are lots of expressions in English that don't translate well. I have a whole series of these. Understanding English grammar. I have a very few lessons on grammar. This one is how to use the word it. My YouTube channel. Hope to see you there.